Model, 2012 Renault TRAFIC VIVARO 2.0dCi long MOT needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 117960. MOT, 29 July 2024. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo oil seals have worn, so the turbo will need replacing. Gearbox is perfect, nice simple bolt-on repair. This will be a very clean, low-mileage Renault Traffic once repaired. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link.